Boys and girls, this morning we're going to do a little vocabulary assessment.
Faye Denniger teaches 5th grade at Conway Elementary School in St. Louis, Missouri. She uses a morning work assignment as a pre-assessment tool.
A lot of the vocabulary words that I want you to look at are on the board. So let's have some people read some of these words. We'll start with Reinhardt on the first word.
Animated.
And Hannah?
Launching.
Good.
In morning work, usually it's a short activity. Often it's math problems or a quick reading or writing assignment where the students are either reviewing something from the lesson the day before, or if it's something I need to know for that day's lesson, I'll put it up on the board or on a chart or something, and they'll take care of that while we're doing our morning routine.
All right, so what we're going to do with these words is I've put these words on a piece of paper for you, and what I want you to do is tell me if you know this word or not by writing down what you know about the word on the line. And as usual, if you don't know the word, you're going to write HLY. What does that stand for? Jillian?
Haven't learned yet.
Good job. That's what that stands for. So tell me, show me which words you know on this paper. And if you don't know it, put your HLY.
And it gives me a good tool to assess really quickly who's getting what I'm teaching and who's not getting what I'm teaching. We have a good schedule to do this kind of a pre-assessment because the students are in the classroom for 10 minutes first thing in the morning, and then they go off to gymnasium for gym, and while they're gone, that's when I check the work to see which group I want them in. When I'm looking over their morning work, the vocabulary like I was today, I'm looking to see if they're using the words in the way they're going to be used in whatever reading assignment I'm going to be giving them. And I do a really quick assessment of which group they're going to be in. And then I look at the students who filled in a lot of the blanks and sort of spot check and see if they knew the harder words or the easier words. Then I kind of group them according to that. I've prepared the reading ahead of time, and I prepare plenty of copies so that I don't have to say, well, I can't put this kid in this group even though that's the group they should be in because I don't have enough. But every once in a while you could get caught. Maybe you realize that the whole class is in the same place, whereas you didn't know that before, and so then you would do a whole class lesson rather than a small group activity. But you would just try to anticipate that that might happen sometimes, because it does. I use my color-coded cards to show the students which group they're going to be in, and I vary it with the students so that they know that they might not like this partner today, but tomorrow they're going to get somebody they do like, and so they respond to that. And I find that if you kind of raise the bar with the students and show them what the expectations are, that usually they'll come through for you.
Every encounter that we have with a student reveals to us something more about that student that then becomes useful in our teaching.
What I would like for you to do is turn to your packet. You should have another hand that looks like this. And you're going to find a partner in the room that has the same color tag on their desk that you have. And then you and your partner are going to pick one of the articles on the table in the back that matches your color. The first thing you're going to do, their first job, is to fill in the hand. Write the who, the what, the where, the when, the why, and the how, the details on your hand. And then you're going to go back to your own desk and write your summary from your details that you wrote down. Are there any questions about the directions? For each color choice, there's 3 articles to choose from. So next I would like you to check your color, find your partner, and you and your partner pick an article.
When you get pre-assessment data, you have a sense of who may need extra support at the outset of a unit in order to be able to succeed, what students are very advanced with the material and really don't need to be involved in preliminary discussions. And so then what you're able to do is take a general lesson plan that you've developed or a general unit plan and begin to make little offshoots for different students to get different kinds of support, to learn in different contexts, to use different materials, to get different experiences with you as a teacher. What you simply are doing then is setting out to make a general classroom plan better suited for actual individuals in that classroom.